Hello, in this video we show you how to do an oil service reset on Mercedes B-Class W245. First we turn the key to the first position and it will show the kilometers, and then afterwards we can press the reset button 3 times so that it can go to the hidden. Here it is, that's the hidden menu. Now we will scroll down to go to do the service. We press the arrow to go into the menu, and then we scroll down with the minus on the other side of the steering wheel. We scroll down to confirmation, and then we press the left button over there to confirm. Then we go to full service confirm, and the oil reset service reset is done. That's how the oil service reset is done. It's pretty easy, and thank you for watching. Please subscribe to the channel.